I'm gonna burp at Taffeta's face. Candles, your burp smells like cupcakes and it does not stink. That's true, Taffy. Hey, Nelly, I've got something to show you. Rancy, your burp smells like peanut butter cups and it does not stink. And I got something for you and Claus to share. Your burp smells like candy and it does not stink. Boy, hanging upside down like a bat sure is cool. Just like a clouded leopard. Right, Snowy? As you would say, Candle, yeah. Snowanna, Candle, that's not really safe to be hanging upside down. Come down. Okay. Whoa! Gotcha. Thanks, SpongeBob. I knew you would save me from that fall. And I got something to reward you. Ooh, here's mine. And this is something you deserve. Oh, goodness. Oh, God. Those two are adorable. Are you sure you don't have any more brown clouds to release still? Nope. Plus, our owner's gonna take a little bit of a break from the brown cloud thing. Ah, okay. Well, I got something for you. Juby, your burp smells like cherries and it does not stink. And I got something for you. A candy corn scented burp does not stink. And it does not stink at all. Candle, your burp smells like chocolate chip cookies and it does not stink. And I got something for you as well. Your burp smells like oil and it does not stink. Hey Crummy, I've got something for you. What is it, Beezy? Your burp smells like blue raspberries and it does not stink. Eva, your burp smells like lime. I got something for Swizzy. Now that's what I'm talking about. Her sour apple burp does not stink. And it never will.